Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to arrange Google Meet on laptop. First of all, open your web browser. Open your Chrome profile, search Google Meet. Click on the new meeting. Click on Create a Meeting for Later. Here's the link to your meeting. Copy this link and send it to the people you want to add in the meeting. Tap on New Meeting, click on Start an Instant Meeting. Wait till the loading. Allow using your camera and microphone for Google Meet. Your meeting is ready to add others by sharing the link. Meet keeps you safe, so allow your camera and microphone. Tap on Add Others and send them invites to join the meeting. Click on the Leave call to disconnect the meeting. Now you've left the meeting. Tap on Return to Home Screen. That's how you can arrange Google Meets on your laptop. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.